The main principles of R&D in Estonia are defined in the Organisation of the Research and Development Act. It sets the basis for the organisation of R&D and secures the legal means for the preservation and further development of R&D work as a part of the Estonian culture and economy. Policy design and goal setting is carried out by the Estonian Parliament and the Government of the Republic. The Research and Development Council advises on matters relating to the R&D strategy. The Ministry of Education and Research implements the National Research Policy, organises the financing and the evaluation of activities of R&D institutions. The Minister of Education and Research is advised by the Research Policy Committee. All ministries shall perform R&D actions within their area of governance. The Ministry of Economic Affairs and Communications is responsible for planning, coordinating and executing research and development activities and innovation policy related to business. The Minister of Economic Affairs and Communications is advised by the Innovation Policy Committee. The Estonian Research Council provides research grants for scientists and supports international research cooperation, hosting the contact points of EU R&D framework programs, running Estonian Research Information System ETIS, supporting popularization activities. The Archimedes Foundation coordinates and implements different international and national programs and projects in the fields of training, education and research. Archimedes is also the implementing body of Dora Plus, Christian Jacques, Erasmus Plus, ENI, NARIC and various other institutions. Enterprise Estonia promotes business and regional policy in Estonia. Enterprise Estonia is one of the largest institutions within the national support system for entrepreneurship. It provides financial assistance, support measures, counselling, cooperation opportunities and training. The Estonian Academy of Sciences is an association of top-level scientists and scholars with commitment and responsibility to advance scientific research.